Hello, my dear kids, students, learners, and friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel letters pronouncing as vowel sound. Vowel sound. Letter A, E, I, O, U. These are the letters, right? Vowel letters. And the sound, vowel sound. U has been taken here. U now pronounced as O. Okay, dear. U, here sound symbol, pronounced as U. U pronounced as O, sound symbol O. And here U pronounced as U, sound symbol, and O. Here O in Hindi has been written here. Okay, dear. Now let us enjoy these words and pronunciation of U. Okay. U to be pronounced as how in these words you may hear of me, you may know from these words. Bus, bus, mush. U, bus, bus. U pronounced as bus, bus. U here pronounced as bus. Mush, mush. U here pronounced as Likely, tub, pub. Tub, tub. U pronounced as cub, cub. U here pronounced as pub, pub. U pronounced as Here in this list, you can see here 6 words have been taken here. So U pronounced as Again, U pronounced as vowel symbol O, short O. Bull, bull. O, U pronounced as O, pull. O, U pronounced as O. Full, full, pronounced as O. Here in these words you find U as O. But dear, here you may see here English is very funny language. One funny word now has been given here to you to listen to correct your pronunciation. Likely you have to correct your pronunciation. Dull. So here you see U pronounced as dull. Okay, here you see bull, pull, pull. So likely it should be pronounced as dull, but here now pronunciation U to be pronounced as dull. Bull, pull, pull, and here you see dull, sound. Again, you may see push, push. O sound, bush, bush. Okay, dear. O sound, push, pronounced as O. U pronounced as O. But here in these words, hush, hush, sound, hush, lush, lush. You here English is very funny. You may enjoy a fun in these fun from these words. Okay, funny language. English is very funny. Or you may enjoy such kind of fun in pronunciation, right? So here you see, you have seen, you pronounced as okay, and you pronounced as o. You have seen, and some funs you have enjoyed. Okay, dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.